Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a post link on Facebook. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed with all the latest posts from your friends and followers. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Step 2. Next, scroll down through your feed or visit a profile to locate the post you want to copy the link for. This could be a status update, photo, video, or any post you want to share. Step 3. Now locate the share symbol option, which looks like a small arrow or 3 dots, depending on the platform. Tap on it to reveal additional options. These options give you the ability to share the post in various ways. Step 4. For the last and most important step, look for the Copy Link option in the menu that appears. When you tap on it, the link to the post will be instantly copied to your clipboard. Once copied, you can now paste the link wherever you want, whether that's in a message, on another platform, or even in an email. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.